As an investigator, you could spend days combing through spreadsheets, or just import them into SentVi. I like to start with a simple example that shows off the power and capability of our software in an easy-to-follow way. For our example, assume we've arrested 2 suspects for auto theft. They have no known connections to each other, but we believe they operate in the same area. We can infer they might know one another. Starting with the information we have, arrest records, crime reports, and data extracted from each of their phones, we can import this information in SentVi. Now we've created our database with information from multiple sources. The first thing I'll do is an entity search. I want to highlight and visualize our 2 suspects. We need to then ask the database what connections, if any, exist between our suspects. I'm going to select Get Links, then Between Selected. You'll see that we have many layouts to visualize our data differently. But importantly, SentVi is now showing us the phones we know were possessed by our suspects and the links between those phones. We can see they have a common texting partner, as well as a second number they've each received calls from. SentVi immediately gave us additional suspects directly between our existing arrested persons. Our investigation identifies the owners of those phones. We add them to our database and expand out. We now see who our suspects were texting, Sally Prescott. And look at this, the final number belongs to an auto repair garage. The crime ring is taking shape. We can take this a step further. We select Timeline and follow the visualized events from start to end. We could also look at Time Range and even play the actions out in our visualizer. Either way, you'll see the pattern emerge. Both Kelly and Brian text the same number and then receive calls from Bob's auto garage. In a matter of minutes, you've taken different data sources and input them into SentVi, uncovering additional suspects and busting a crime ring wide open. Without the aid of SentVi, we're left staring at Excel sheets and text files. SentVi can also be used to share visual evidence that's easy to explain to a jury or other stakeholder.